The jump rope helped me get in the best shape of my life. Follow all of these tips in this video and I'm sure it'll help you. The first thing that you want to do to get in shape with a jump rope is to get the proper equipment. I say that every beginner should start with a heavy jump rope, as heavy as you can manage. Now I started out with a 6-pound rope, but maybe you can only start with a 1-pound rope. This not only helps you catch your rhythm, but also gives you a fantastic workout. Heavy jump ropes are a big part of how I got in the best shape of my life. If you want to check out the ropes that I have, either the 6-pound run or the 3-pound run, check out the links below. I truly believe that everyone should be wearing knee sleeves. They help you with so much. The purpose of knee sleeves is to prevent injury. They should not only be used to protect you from former or reoccurring injuries. This is what knee braces are for. Knee sleeves prevent injuries by providing compression, which warms up the connective tissue, increases blood flow, and reduces swelling and pain post-workout. Thanks to knee sleeves providing lateral stability while limiting patella movement, they might be able to increase performance levels during your workout. This shows you that knee sleeves aren't just for people who have injuries, but it's for everyone. The material used in knee sleeves is neosporin. It's the same material used in sauna suits. Neosporin safely increases the internal temperature of the knee joint, which reduces inflammation and expedites the recovery process. During recovery days, I even wear knee sleeves just to relax in, just to get the blood flowing and recover. It is absolutely imperative that you use a jump rope mat when jumping on harsh surfaces. Here's why. If you're jumping on something like concrete or any other harsh surfaces, you might want something to shield your joints, and a jump rope mat can do just that. If you want to know more about the jump rope mat, check out the video I made on it. I left it in the description box below. Do make sure that you have a light jump rope, like a PVC or beaded jump rope. I use the beaded jump rope more often just because I like practicing tricks, but you want to have a light jump rope because it works on different muscles than your heavy jump rope. And if you want to know more about that, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make that video. Just know they work on different muscles and you need a bit of both. So you want to have both types of jump rope. A beginner level jump rope challenge can help you get in the best shape of your life. A jump rope challenge where you can start off small and build until you're in better shape. This will help you get in shape faster and help protect you from injuries. The challenge on your screen right now is the one that I'm currently doing. I'm doing sets of 30 seconds until I reach 5 minutes, and then so on and so forth until I reach the time stated on the screen. A challenge such as this one helps you get in shape by allowing you to gradually build up to those higher numbers. I'm also doing a 30-second break in between those workouts, so that lets me catch my breath and go hard when I'm actually doing the workout. After the challenge, you want to find a workout that you can do for 6 to 8 weeks. And you don't want to do it any longer than that, because your body's like a machine. It learns exactly what you're doing and the easiest way to do it. So in order to confuse your muscles, you want to do it 6 to 8 weeks and switch your workout. If you're looking for a good beginner level workout, check out the one I have below. It's perfect for beginners just getting started working out. Writing down your fitness past, present, and future puts you in a position to repeat success, build on them, and find out what hasn't worked. Then avoid those paths to failure. It also helps you plan and maintain your focus, which can help you make your workouts more intentional. How to keep a workout journal. Don't leave anything out. Your workout plan should first and foremost have every exercise written down. Don't forget reps, sets, tempos, rest breaks, weights, or equipment setting. You know your log is detailed enough when you can recreate the workout a year down the line without missing or forgetting something. Don't forget to include any goals that you might have. This will help you track your progress and how far you are away from your current goal. Make both long-term and short-term goals. As you achieve your short-term goals, they should be goals that lead you to your long-term goal. Writing all your goals down will help you see that you're progressing and motivate you to keep going. Find a journal that works for you. Sometimes you use your phone, but if you're more like me, I like the feel of the paper in my hand, so I write my stuff down. Grab my workout journal down below and it'll help you keep track of your workouts. Plus it comes with 3 free workouts for you to give a try today. No matter what they say online and no matter what you see, don't work out every single day. Make sure you're taking a break so that your muscles have time to recover and grow. Rest days alleviate muscle pain and soreness. During rest day, the body has a chance to remove excess lactate from the muscles. This helps alleviate muscle pain and soreness. During rest days, the body repairs and builds your muscle. Exercise creates microscopic tears in muscle tissue. During rest days, cells repair and build up the muscle tissue. Rest days allow the muscles to be replenished, reducing muscle fatigue and preparing the muscle for the next workout. Over-exercising puts repetitive stress and strain on the muscles, increasing the risk of injury. Over-exercising can also tire the mind as well as the body. Tiredness can lead to poor decision-making during a workout routine, which increases the risk of injury. Now, if you want to really get in the best shape of your life, there's some absolute crucial mistakes you want to avoid with the jump rope. Check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.